Southern Indica azaleas have been a staple of southern gardens since the 1800s when they were first introduced to the country. And it's for good reason. They're large, they're evergreen, they're tough. These shrubs can actually grow up to 6 to 8 feet tall and 4 to 6 feet wide left unpruned. And they don't have to be pruned every year. They're actually quite easy to prune. But this year, because they've been around for so long, we've actually named them a Louisiana Super Plant. They've got proven landscape performance for decades and decades. They're reliable spring bloomers, and they just bring so much color to the garden in the early spring. So we've actually singled out 3 different cultivars that have been around for many years. I'm standing behind George Tabor, which is one of the most common light pink Southern Indica azalea cultivars that you're going to see planted around. And behind me is Lavender Formosa, the most common that you'll see grown in landscapes around the state. It's really more of a dark purple to me, but it is called Lavender Formosa. The third cultivar that we've highlighted is G.G. Gerbing. That's the pure white azalea that you'll see blooming this time of year. And these 3 together take your bloom color from darker all the way to white. These plants can be grown in full sun, or even part shade. But to get the most reliable and powerful bloom performance, you'll want to give them as much sun as possible. So for 2025 Super Plant selection for our shrub category, it's the Southern Indica azalea. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.